Many people have their own idea about who is Allah. People make up their own fictional ideas. You will meet people in life, and many of you may have, here in America especially, and you'll meet people like what they call themselves the 5%. I don't know what, they lost the other 95%. So they go around saying every black man is Allah. Na'udhu billah. And then you'll meet people that will come to you and say something foolish like, I am Allah. And this is not something new. Fir'aun made this statement, Ana rabbukum al-a'la, I am your Lord the highest. Even though these are people that know that they are weak, they know that they don't know everything, they know they're not perfect in their knowledge, they know they're not perfect in their abilities, they know they're not perfect in their characteristics, they know that they are not capable of anything or everything and all. They know that they are not qadir, they are not qahar, they are not jabbar, they don't have those characteristics, but they make up this own idea. Some people come to you and say Jesus is God, and then if you ask them, did Jesus know the hour? No. Well, does God know everything? Yes. You're confused.